Welcome to our mini dishwasher showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular models, the AIRMSEN portable countertop dishwasher and the Midea MDC22P1ABB. Both of these dishwashers are designed for small spaces and offer unique features that cater to different needs. Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to pricing, the AIRMSEN portable countertop dishwasher is priced at $359, while the Midea MDC22P1ABB is more budget-friendly at $309. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your kitchen. In terms of capacity, the AIRMSEN dishwasher claims to hold over 40 items, making it suitable for larger loads, while the Midea model accommodates 6 place settings. If you often have a lot of dishes to wash, the AIRMSEN might be the better choice. Both dishwashers offer multiple washing programs, but the Midea MDC22P1ABB takes the lead with 8 different cycles, including options for speed and baby care. The AIRMSEN, on the other hand, offers 5 programs. This variety in the Midea model may provide more flexibility for different washing needs. In conclusion, both the AIRMSEN and Midea dishwashers have their strengths and weaknesses. The AIRMSEN offers a higher capacity and a built-in water tank, while the Midea provides more washing programs and a lower price point. Depending on your specific needs, one may be a better fit than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.